Cardboard tube relief sculpture. Materials: cardboard tubes, construction paper, decorative paper, pencil, scissors to use with grown-ups' help, glue, ruler. Optional materials: picture mat. A relief sculpture is a type of sculpture where the sculpted elements are attached to a solid background. To make a cardboard tube relief sculpture, choose a piece of construction paper or decorative paper for the background. Cut the cardboard tubes into even intervals. Arrange the cardboard tube pieces onto the paper background however you want. Your design can be a recognizable shape or abstract. It can be symmetrical or asymmetrical. The possibilities of what you can create are endless. Once the design is finalized, dip the bottom edge of each cardboard tube piece into glue and place them on the paper background. You can frame your cardboard tube relief sculpture with another piece of paper or picture mat. Now you have a cardboard tube relief sculpture. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media, #AppletonMuseum@home.